Hey everyone, this is Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I'm coming to you at a new community with multiple builders in Davenport, Florida. Davenport is west of Kissimmee. It has I-4 access. It is out here, and a lot of people are moving here because of the pricing. And so this community is called Astonia. And the builder that I'm going to highlight this model from is Highland Homes, and they're located throughout Central Florida, just like most of the builders are. But this particular model we're going to see is called the Shelby. It's roughly about 2,000 square feet. Also, this community, Highland Homes, has about 200 homes, I've been told, and they're being released just like everyone else in phases. So in the current phase, there's 10 more homes of 20. So they have plenty of homes available for you to purchase. So without further ado, let's check out the Shelby. Hey guys, welcome back from the tour. Seems like a very spacious home. Some of the things that I do love in particular about this floor plan, as you're walking in, it does feel very ample in space in that hallway. It's very inviting. You don't feel claustrophobic. I love the way they had it set up in this home with the first room on the left. Felt like more of a den office space with the double French doors. Also, something that you don't see often is the Jack and Jill bathrooms, where you have a bathroom shared by two rooms. So that kind of adds privacy for the people that are using those rooms. You know, it could be for your kids, it could be for a mother-in-law suite or something, kind of a vibe to where that bathroom is a little bit more private and not accessible for your guests. And you have the powder room that is accessible for the guests when they're visiting. Wonderful open floor plan in the middle, lots of room for entertaining. The island is massive. I thought that was great touch there. And then the last big piece, I'm standing in this master bedroom, and you can see that there's double doors behind me, which adds an elegant feel for your master suite. You know, you're coming home from a long day of work, and these double doors just kind of add a bit of a spacious vibe. This is a big room also. You can see with the king size bed featured in the middle. I do like also the fact that the closet is separate. You don't really see that a lot in models much anymore. It's separate than the master bath. So this home again is in the Astonia community. It's Highland Homes, 2,000 plus square feet. If you're interested in seeing any other homes, please reach out to me. And it doesn't have to be just this builder, it can be any builder. But my information's down below. Feel free to contact me, shoot me a call or text, email also. And if you don't mind, please like and subscribe, because that is helping the channel out a lot in getting more and more people the information that they need to help make the decisions, whether it's buying or selling. I've got tons of more content coming out. Hit the bell notification icon. I'll see you guys on the next video.